We are pleased to show you 2012 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.